Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. So tell me, how was your weekend? Was it good? Did you guys enjoyed it? Okay, that's very great. So, welcome to your first lesson of week number 8, right? And in today's class, we will be practicing a new concept, that is more or fewer concept. Okay, so before starting the lesson, let me tell you that this concept is very much similar to, or we will be taking help from a topic that we have already covered, and the topic is less than, greater than concept. Okay, so in today's class we will be taking help from this topic. Okay, and I'll tell you that how these two topics are similar to each other or somehow relatable to each other. Okay, but before moving towards that, I'm going to share the screen and I'll explain this to you with the help of these images. Okay, okay, show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you. Okay, okay, so is it visible? Can you tell me what is this? There are fruits. Okay, how many types of fruits are there? Two types of fruits, right? How many apples are there? Three. And how many, sorry, four. And how many bananas are there? Three. Okay, let's note it down. Bananas are three in number, and apples are four in number. Okay, I have noted it down. Now let's look at the next picture. Okay, now look at this picture and tell me how many number of items are there. What is this? It's an apple. How many apples are there? One. Let's say you came back from the school and you are very hungry, and your mother, give this apple to you. So what would you say? That mother, I'm very hungry. I want more apples, right? So this means that when you will use the word more, she will give you something extra. So more means adding something to it, right? When you will ask your mother that you want some more apple, this means that she will give you something which is extra, right? Okay, now look at this picture. Look at this picture now. How many numbers of apple are there in this picture? Four, right? Previously you had only one, and you told your mother that the one is not enough for you because you are very hungry, so please give me some more. So when you use the word more, this means that she gave you something extra, or now you have extra or four, a greater number of apples, right? Previously you have less number of apple, that was one. Now she gave three more to you, so now you have equal of four apples, right? Okay, so now look at the board. Previously you have only one apple, right? When you told your mother that you are hungry and you want more apples, so when you use the word more, she gave you three extra. Now you have four number of apples. So this means previously you have few or less number of apples. Now you have more number of apples. So can you now define the meaning or tell me the meaning of the word more? This means that something which is in great number, which is in more quantity, which is in extra numbers, right? Why? Because when we have added something to the one, the previous number which was one, when we have added three more to it or three extra numbers to it, now it has turned into four. So this means that the word more means something which is in great quantity, which is in extra numbers, which is in great numbers, right? Okay, Now I'm going to share the screen again. You had 4 apples, or let's say now assume you have 4 apples, and you told your mother that you are not that much hungry. So please, can you take 2 out of them? Yes, and your mother took 3 out of that. Now you have only 2 apples. So now are they more or few? Fewer. Excellent. So can you now understand or tell me the meaning of the word few? Few means something which is in less numbers, right? Or which is in less quantity. Got it? So more is a number, or more is we define something as more which is in great quantity, which is in great numbers, and the word fewer is used for something which is in less quantity, right? Okay. Now, because you have understood this concept, so I'm going to show you some other, or before moving to forward, now let's just quickly revise this and then I'll ask you a question from that. Okay, the word more and the word fewer. More is something which is in excellent, which is in greater quantity or more numbers, and then fewer is something which is in less quantity, right? I told you that we will be taking help from another topic, that was greater than or less than concept, right? When something is greater, we call it as more. When something is less, we call it as few. Got it? And then we practice the sign of it as well, that the number which was in greater quantity, we use the sign like this, right? Okay, so how these topics are similar, that something which is in great number, which is in maximum numbers, or which is in more number, we call it as more, and something which is in less quantity, right, which is in small number, we call it as few. So previously you had 4 apples, you asked your mother to please take 2 out of them. Now you have fewer apples, and previously you have more apples, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you the pictures again. Look at this picture and tell me, are there fewer apples than bananas? Count the number of bananas. How many bananas are there? 5. Excellent. And how many number of apples are there? 4. So are there fewer apples than bananas? Yes. Excellent. Why there are fewer? Because bananas are in more number, or there is an extra banana, right? Okay. Now look at this next picture. How many number of apples are there? 2. How many number of bananas are there? Are there more bananas or fewer bananas? More. Very well done. So this means that the concept is clear to you, right? Okay. Now I want all of you to open your book, page number 34. This is your book, page number 34, that we will be doing together. There are different number of the number of objects and their pictures are given to you, and what you are supposed to do, you're supposed to put a tick on the thing which is in more number and put a cross over the thing which is in fewer quantity. Okay, so look at the very first thing. There are burgers and cupcakes. So can you tell me, what is the number of cupcakes? 3. How many burgers are there? 2. So which is in more quantity? Cupcakes. Excellent. So we will put a tick over there, right, and a cross on the burgers. Excellent. Look at this picture. What is in more quantity, breads or eggs? Eggs. Why? Because eggs are 5 and there are only 4 slices of bread, right? Excellent. Look at this one. How many bananas are there? 3. And how many cherries are there? 4. So which is in more quantity? Excellent. Put a tick over it. Look at this. How many strawberries are there? 7. How many oranges are there? 6. So you will put a tick on Strawberries. Excellent. Put a tick over it. Now look at there. There are some sweets and then an ice cream. So you will put a tick on ice cream or the sweets. Candies. Candies. Very well done. There are some apples and then there are some lollipops. So count their numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And how many apples are there? Only 5. So which is in more quantity? Lollipops. Excellent. So put a tick on it. Done? Enjoyed it? Okay, so let's quickly revise. What does more mean? More means something which is in great number, right? And the few means something which is in less quantity, which is in less numbers, right? Okay, now before ending the class, I'm going to share a picture with you. There is this small exercise that you are supposed to do, the small activity, and then we will end the class. Okay, so well, the activity is very much similar to the book, the activity that you have done right now in your book, right? So there are the pictures of the objects are given to you and you are supposed to put a tick on the yes, on the more number of things, right? Okay, on the in the very first the line, there on the one side there are turtles and then there are puppies. So tell me, which is in more quantity, turtles or puppies? Puppies. Why? Because they are in 5 number. Excellent. Put a tick on it. Should we move forward? Okay. Look at the next one. Who is going to tell me this? Yes, Sarah, you tell me. We have balloons on left hand side and we have footballs on right hand side. So tell me which is in more quantity. Balloons. Why? Because they are in 8 numbers and the footballs are in 7 number. Excellent. Okay. Ali, you tell me about the next one. We have bananas and apples. Apples are in 7 number and we have only 5 bananas. So which is in more quantity? Apples. Very well done. And who is going to tell me this last one? Yes, Alize. How many mangoes are there? 9. How many cherries are there? 8. So which is in more quantity? Mangoes. Very well done. Okay, class. So do you guys enjoyed the lecture? Any confusion about more or few concept? No? Okay. So the home assignment for you is that you are supposed to revise this, right? And do some practice of more and few concept. Take out some things, like you can use the markers, you can use some chalks, you can use some papers, right? Or you can use some toys which you have and see which is in more quantity and which is in fewer quantity, right? Okay. So I'll be seeing you in the next class. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.